Silence isn't awkward, it's strategy. And when used well, it makes your words heavier, clearer, and more respected. Here are 3 ways to use silence to sound more confident without saying a word. Number 1, pause before you answer. The next time someone asks you a question, don't rush to fill the gap. Pause, think, and then speak. Even a 2-second pause, it signals confidence and clarity and control. For example, you can say, let me think about that. See, that phrase tells people you're measured, not unsure. Number 2, end strong and let it sit. One of the biggest mistakes we make is talking past the point. We say something valuable and then we just keep talking and weaken it. So try this. Say your point and then stop. For example, you can say, I think we need to rethink the timeline, and then add a pause. Silence adds weight. It gives people time to process and respect what you said. Number 3, use silence to create presence. Silence isn't just a gap between words. It's a tool that draws in attention. And if you walk into a room, look around, and say nothing for a moment, you own the room before saying a word. That pause, it builds tension, and tension creates focus. Whether in meetings, interviews, or even videos, quiet is power. So let's recap this. Here's how to speak less and say more. Number 1, pause before you answer. End strong and stop. Number 3, use silence to command presence. The most confident people don't fill space. They control it. Try saying less this week. Pause more. Let your words breathe. Comment below. Where do you rush when you speak? And of course, subscribe to Speak Up Daily for weekly tools to help you speak with calm, clear confidence, one pause at a time.